Hey guys, this is going to be a quick exhaust clip video, just because I got the exhaust all done. It's now, let's see if you can see that, 3-inch all the way back, and all catless. No resonator at all, just a fake cob muffler. It's actually a Manzo is the brand, but it's basically a fake cob muffler, and it was like 170 bucks for the whole cat back. I did have to have the mid pipe all like custom made and kind of modified, and obviously like custom hangers. The hanger kind of sucks. As you can see right there, that's the only hanger, but it's pretty sturdy and I don't think it's going anywhere. It's a really light muffler. So but yeah, we're gonna drive up the road and take some exhaust clips where there's not tons of traffic noise from the highway.